Hello and welcome back to drawerboxes.co.uk. With your drawer box assembled, you are now ready for the next stage, which is to mark out and fit the drawer runners. In the pack with your internal drawer is a pre-drilled packer. This goes on the hinge side of your unit and allows the drawers to clear the hinges without any problem. For the internal Metabox shallow or deep drawers, the drawer can be fitted anywhere inside the unit, as long as the packer misses the hinge. These guidelines for internal Metabox drawers should help you to decide on the positioning of your drawers. From the top of the unit, the minimum space required is 50mm down to the hole centres on the packer and runner. The centre of the holes in the runner are 85mm up from the shallow drawer base and 150mm up from the deep drawer base. The packer and runner are placed 5mm back from the front edge of the unit. Using the previous guidelines, decide on the box position, then draw a line inside the unit. This line will mark the centre of the holes in the packer and runner. Line up the centre of the packer to this line, remembering to hold the packer 5mm back from the front edge of the unit. Holding in this position, put in the front screw only. Tighten this screw so that the packer stays up in position. To ensure the packer is completely level, check the measurement front and back and adjust the packer until it is exactly the same. Then you can put the other two long screws in to secure the packer in place. With the packer in position, you can now fit the runner. Using the set square, mark a line right through the centre of the holes in the packer. Hold the runner up flush to the front of the packer and ensure that the pencil line runs right through the middle of the holes in the runner. Mark two of the smaller holes in pencil, including the one right behind the nylon roller. Use your screw gun and a screw to start these holes off. Don't go in all the way, just enough to guide the screw into position. Now, hold the runner in place and put screws in all the smaller holes. Measure from the top of your base unit down to the centre of the holes in the runner. Go over to the other side and mark this on the front of the unit. Using a set square, draw a level line inside the unit. And another line 5mm back. Hold the runner up 5mm back from the front of the unit, ensuring that the line runs through the centre of the holes in the runner. Now, just repeat the steps you used to fit the other runner. When putting in these screws, try to ensure that they go in square, because the screw heads can snag on the roller on the drawer box if they go in at an angle. With the runners installed, you can now just line up the rollers and drop the box into position, and the installation is complete. For the deep internal Metabox, you use exactly the same process as just described by observing the guideline images at the start of this video. Thank you for watching, and please get in touch if you have any inquiries.